I'm Brandon and this is Ryan, and here at Axiom 360 we're dedicated to providing quality customer experience and premium products. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Ryan. We're here for you day in, day out till the project's done.
Why are my electric bills so much more expensive than they have been in the past?
And that's a great question. There's a lot that goes into that equation. It goes down from, now your kids are using the computers and the TVs and the blow dryers and all those things, but also you're using an EV, you've got an electric stove, you've got an electric hot water heater. So all of those things start to add up in your electrical usage. Now, to add upon that, what we're seeing is that annually the rates are increasing for your utility costs. So PG&E, along with other utility companies, are raising their rates on an annual basis to cover the rising inflation, which is creating a lot of strain on everyone. Another thing that we'll see is that because of inflation, the cost of fuel goes up, therefore the cost of making the electricity goes up. So you'll actually see on your utility bill fuel surcharges that go into that cost of making the electricity. So a lot of that's based off of using additional electricity in your home as a standard is what we're seeing across the country, but also the rising utility rates to cover the cost of doing business, inflation, and fuel surcharges.